Assalamu alaikum students, this is Zahid Shah and today we will talk about break-even point or break-even level of output. What is break-even point or break-even level of output? Break-even point or break-even level of output is the level of output where firm's total revenue is equal to its total cost. That means there is no profit and no loss situation. Because if the firm's total revenue is equal to its total cost, it would not earn any profit and it would not incur any loss. After that, we have to discuss some important point about the break-even point. The first thing that should be kept in mind about break-even point, that break-even point tell us about the minimum level of output that a firm should produce, because the firm produce lower than that level of output, it would incur a loss. Secondly, the second thing is break-even point is a point where there is no profit and no loss situation for the firm. After that, the third point is break-even point is very important for a newly started business. Because a newly started business is the objective to survive. So it would be very important for a business that is newly started that they should know about the minimum level of output or the break-even point so they can survive. Okay, after that, if we talk about the calculation of a break-even point, the break-even point can be calculated using a formula, and that is the break-even point level of output is equal to total fixed cost of the firm divided by contribution margin per unit. Contribution margin per unit. That means if we divided the total fixed cost of a firm by its contribution margin per unit, so we will arrive at break-even point level or the break-even level of output. Now, what is total fixed cost and what is contribution margin per unit? Total fixed cost is the cost that does not change with the level of output. Cost that does not change with the level of output is called total fixed cost. The second thing is contribution margin per unit. What is contribution margin per unit? Contribution margin per unit is basically the profit earned by selling 1 unit of output. The profit earned by selling 1 unit of output is called contribution margin per unit. Okay, so let's suppose if the firm total fixed cost is 6,000 and its contribution margin per unit is 30. So the answer would be 20 units, because we need to find out the break even level of output, so the answer would be in units. What does 20 unit means? 20 unit means if the firm produce 20 units, So there would be no profit and no loss situation for the firm. If the firm only produce 20 units, there would be no profit and no loss situation. But if the firm produce 19 units, that is 1 unit less than the break-even point, so the firm would incur a loss because it is producing less than the break-even level of output. Secondly, if the firm produce 21 units, that is more than the break-even level of output. If the firm produce 21 units, that is more than the break-even level of output, so the firm would earn profit.